Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tobile, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create this flyer right here that you can see in front of my screen. So we're going to be designing this together using Canva. So I won't be wasting more of your time with so much rambling and talking. So let's just get into the video so I can show you guys how this is done. So the very first step that we need to take in order for us to be able to create this, you want to go to canva.com. So you're gonna go to your browser and type in canva.com. If you're not signed in with Canva yet, please do so. It's free of charge. You can just sign in. I'm gonna be leaving a link in the description below so you can do so. The next thing that you want to do, you want to come up here to templates, and then you want to click on flyers. So we're going to be creating this design from scratch because it's our own design. We're not using any template for it, and so we're just going to click here on a create a blank flyer design. And once that is clicked, and now we're going to be creating our design. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to add some text first, and that's going to be our heading. And then we want to change the font for this, and let's give it this font, right? And we're gonna change the font size as well, and we're gonna change the color as well. So I'm just gonna give it a customized color that I want. So you can choose any color that you want, right? So I've given it that, and then I'm just gonna place it right here on the middle. And then the next thing that I want to do, I want to add some text as well, which is gonna be here. So we're just gonna add some text here. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, so we also want to change the font for this, and we're gonna give it a railway font as well as the size. This should be fine, and let's just make it a bit smaller. Okay, I'm gonna put the end separate. This should be fine, and then we want to align this to the middle. Gonna highlight everything from here and make it bold, and the color is already black, that's fine. So the next step from here is to add this picture that I had, and also just to make this like this should be fine. This should be fine, and then we want to have it like this. So the next thing is to add our images. So the images that I have removed background, so the background is removed from this image so that it can be it can look nice. I want to make this as big as possible. Like I want to stretch it out. I'm gonna stretch it and put it in this position. Should be fine. And then I'm also gonna be adding this as well. So just gonna add this. So you can see now it's like it's in the beach. It's like this picture. It's like these pictures are actually put in together. If you want, you can just click on both pictures and group it all together so it can move together whenever you're moving this object around. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add some text as well, just here. So I'm just gonna duplicate this and then I'll make it normal text, and then I'll add some text here. So I'll just come here to the dummy text and then I'll just add any text. Just want one paragraph and generates the text. Make it a bit smaller for me. Yep, this should be fine. And copy this text and remove everything and then replace it like this. So I'm just gonna make it a bit smaller. Yeah, this should be fine. And then I'm also gonna be changing the font for this, and I'm gonna make it a 14.9. So the next step right now is to make sure that you also align this first of all in the middle. And then the next step from here is I want to add the icons over here, right down here below, for Facebook as well as for the number. So I'm just gonna come here to elements, and then you can search here for Facebook and then it's gonna pull up, but since it's already here, let me just take this one that I see in front of me, and then I'm just gonna place it here. I'll duplicate this once more and then I'll highlight everything and remove the text, and then just write something for Facebook. Alright, I think I've removed it, so I'm just gonna replicate this once more, highlight everything, remove, and then paste this text, and then that's gonna be for my Facebook handle for this case. And then the next thing, I'm gonna search for, let's say, call. Then I'm just gonna take this one for now. And then I'm gonna copy this text. So I press Ctrl and D to duplicate the text, and I'm using Windows. And then I'm just gonna write the number here. Almost wrote my number. And you are done. So just as simple as that, you are done. Let me just group this together. I'm gonna group this together. You can press group right here, or you can just press Ctrl G and it's gonna group things together. So just as simple as that, we are done with this, you guys. So this is how I was able to create this this flyer in a very short period of time. Okay, so this takes us to the end of today's tutorial. So let me just present this what we have done right now, guys, so that y'all can be able to see the outcome that came. So this is the flyer that we have just designed in a very few minutes. So once more, if you really if you would like to learn more of these things, if you'd like for me to post more content like this, please don't forget to click on that like button to like this video, and don't forget to click on that subscription button as well. It's really gonna help me a lot in terms of growing my channel. And yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. I'm gonna see you on my next video.